Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how to populate a value in cost entity. So let's suppose I want to populate this vehicle color at cost entity. So this vehicle level cost, I want to populate this vehicle color, right? So what are the steps we need to follow? Those things we will learn in this video. So first we need to identify the cost where we need to populate. So I decided I have to populate in vehicle level cost. So go to vehicle cow cost as it is a ETI. Go to extension. I have already created a column vehicle color underscore ext. Whenever we are adding any brand new columns in the existing entities, make sure we are adding extension at the end. So I have added vehicle underscore ext and the type as varchar and null I'm allowing we can have null values also. So if we are making nulloc as false, right, that impacts existing policy. Server will not start if the existing policies will not have this value. So make sure when we are handling the existing policies, right, we are adding the things as a nulloc as true and color of the vehicle. So I'm making as a description and column name also I'm providing vehicle color underscore ext. As the column type is varchar, right, it will ask param size. So I'm going the extreme case of 60. We will not get 60 as the vehicle color, but I'm going with the extreme case. So now we created a column in the vehicle cost entity. Now we have to populate this cost entity value through cost data objects. So for this, I am going to the cost data object class and created new variable vehicle color underscore ext. This value I am populating in the init method. For this I am passing this vehicle color from the constructor over here. So this value is being populated from here. Cow dot vehicle color dot color. So from rating engine I am getting vehicle color. This value I am populating over here. If the value is null, because vehicle color may not be mandatory, that's why I'm checking. If it is not null, if the length is more than 60, then doing substring until 60 characters, or else let's go with the flow, because our vehicle color underscore ext, this variable is there, right? So for this column the size maximum value size will be 60. If the value is more than 60, right, so it will throw an error. That's why I kept the condition. And then another constructor, when we retrieve existing cost, right, when we retrieve existing cost as well, we need to populate our vehicle color variable. So the same vehicle color variable I am populating here. This init is from the rating engine, this constructor is from the existing cost object. So this vehicle color same I'm also getting. If it is not null, assigning, we can utilize this c dot vehicle color here like this also. If you utilize the same thing, right, it impacts the performance. Same variable we are hitting twice to the database. Instead of that, I have created a variable. In this variable I'm storing, if the value is not null, assigning it, so that only once one hit to the database. And then we need to populate in the set specific field cost dot vehicle color the whatever value which we are getting, and then key values we need to populate here as well, vehicle color and version cost list. Here also I am checking the vehicle color. Why do we need to have key values and is version cost? The reason is based on this value cost may merge or may not merge. If the values are same, then cost will merge. If values are not same, then cost will not merge. So for that purpose only we are uh, adding the same vehicle color over here. I have restarted my server. I think it is up. So now we will see. So why we need to populate? First thing, in most of the cases, to populate either in documents or else for data team purpose, right? We need to populate these type of things at vehicle cost level. Sorry, not at vehicle cost level, any cost level. It's not only with the vehicle cost, any cost level. If you are populating, that might useful for data team or else documents team. So as soon as they get cost objects, right, from there only they can access the variables. In that cases, we no need to have this merge concept. That time we can comment out these things, this first version vehicle color as well as key value. Let's see. I'm reloading. Yeah, going to the policy, one existing policy. Yeah, taking, let me take a copy submission, quoting the policy, issue it, and perform a policy change. I am going 1 month ahead. Vehicles and changing to red, quoting the policy. So if we see this comp and collision are only vehicle level cost, that's why as we changed vehicle color, right, cost is not merged. The reason is we are populating in the key values as well as each version cost list. If you are populating, if you are comparing over here and if you are returning in the key values, then only cost merge will happen. If you do not want cost merge, right, let's remove it. That's it. And this and condition as well, and compile it. Yeah, classes are reloaded. So for this, we need to perform new policy change. It will not work on the existing cost because existing costs were already created. Creating with the same 11.8 vehicles, change it to red. Yeah, code the policy. See, now cost is not measured. The reason is if we are returning from here key values and each version cost list, then cost will not merge until the values are same, or else cost will merge it. So depends on our scenario. Is it only for documents purpose and data team purpose? We can leave our things up to here only. Set specific field and populate from here and get it from the rating engine. Or else if you want to stop the merging based on those values, then return in the key values as well as return in the each version cost list also. There we need to compare it. This is the way to populate any value at cost level. It's here we have taken example with the personal vehicle cow cost. If we go with the dwelling, building, line level, anything, this is the same way of doing. Hope you guys got this point, how to populate the cost value, how to populate any value at cost level. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll reply for you. Uh, Thank you for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in the next video.